नमस्कार आप सभी को. I have a powerful book on my hand. Book name is Truth Without Apology. Writer Acharya Prashant. I already uploaded first chapter on both language Hindi and English. Now I wanna record second chapter in English. So let's start. Chapter name is Why Do People Show Off? Chapter 2. Why do people show off? The exhibitionist mind seeks validation through others' approval, turning life into a constant display of possessions and relationships. The need to show off betrays a deeper insecurity, a life lived for external applause, never for inner strength or freedom. So what is the first paragraph of this chapter? You go to a shop to buy clothes. What do you look for? Good to touch, good to wear, must look expensive, must not look cheap. That's how you pick a shirt. And when you choose a husband or a wife, it's the same checklist. Good to look at, comfortable around me, and doesn't look cheap when we walk together. It's the same mind at work. Observe yourself in a garment shop. There you will see the story of your life. If you are an exhibitionist choosing clothes, a little lower neckline, a bit higher on the thigh, you will be the same with partners. See my new puppy. I miss my new boyfriend. Or hey, don't you fancy my trophy wife? People display their cars, they display their houses, they display their lovers, they display their babies. It's all one continuous market piece of validation. And what is the second page? What is the exhibitionist mind? It has lost the capacity to look directly at itself. It sees itself only through borrowed eyes. Its self-worth hangs on what others say. It lives a duplicate and second-hand life. If others praise it, it feel worthy. If others scorn it, it collapses. This is a terrible slavery, running breathless after the approval of strangers. And what is the last paragraph of this chapter? And the saddest part, this slavery is self-chosen and entirely unnecessary. One could instead choose strength. One could choose independently. One could choose freedom. Freedom is far more joyless than any borrowed applause. This is the second chapter of this book, Truth Without Apology. I hope you like it. Thank you.